Okay, so it's Saturday, end of the day kind of, and this is the little garden. Several things going on here that our family here at the Dusty Saddle got involved with. Our dear friend Scarlett gave us these cuttings off of her blackberry bushes. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here, if you can see those. Got those in the ground, and what we're going to do actually is use some of that hog wire that you see there that we've got in there inside the garden. We're going to have it come over like this and have the blackberries just climb up and then drape over the top of them. The other big thing we did here is we got our sweet onions in the ground there. If you can see those all along the edges. So this is the little garden, and then we hooked up the tiller to Oliver today, who had a flat tire and a dead battery, and got in here in the big garden and spun up the soil, tilled it, spun up the soil, and now we are pulling a string to get our rows nice and straight. Hope to have a good garden season this year at the Dusty Saddle. We're gonna actually do beans here. What we got here? Peas.
You know
All right, so we got peas, Alaska peas, and
then gently come along and step on it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That'd be
Just
easier.
Drop them all the way.
Okay.
And you don't. I do further apart than that.
Okay, I'll just. To 3.
why did we decide peas on this particular row? Because that's what we had.
Well, that's what we had, but we had planned to have peas. Corn is going over here.
Yeah, on that
We're
side.
gonna plant peas and then potatoes over that way. Yeah, that's probably pretty good.
Looking good.